Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the auto hide taskbar function is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solution. Now we need to enable auto hide taskbar first. So we'll right click on the taskbar, click on taskbar settings, and then we will expand the taskbar behavior pane, and then we will check this box, automatically hide the taskbar. You see it is automatically hidden. But if it doesn't work, then we need to uncheck show badges on taskbar apps and it will work. Now, if this solution doesn't work, then we need to restart the Windows Explorer. So for that, we'll go to Task Manager and then click on it. Look for Windows Explorer in the search bar and then click on it and click on Restart Task. And that should solve the issue. But if that doesn't work, then we need to disable Windows notifications. So we'll right click on the start bar, go to settings, and then click on system and then look for notifications, and we will disable notifications by switching this off. And we can do one more thing, is we can restart the system in clean boot if none of the above solutions work, because maybe a third party service is causing this auto hide to not work. So to restart in clean boot, I need to look for system configuration, then I will click on the services tab, and then I will check this box, hide all Microsoft services first, and then I will disable any other service that is a third party service which might be causing this issue. So Mozilla, McAfee, EA, these are all third party services. I'll click on disable all, click on apply, OK, and then restart the computer, and this issue should be fixed. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.